Astronomy and astrology are confused a lot of the time, but they're very different. Astrology is taking stars and trying to assign some magical property to them. Astronomy is very scientific, methodical. This is the math that shows this star will be there at this date.
Been reopened since May of last year, or this year rather.
The reason it was shut down for so long is because the equipment was really, really old. I mean, the last projector we had was run by a Model T light bulb. Those are hard to find. So when it broke down, that was it. And plus, we had no funds for this thing. And eventually UTPA funded it. That's why UTPA banners are everywhere.
Well, once the funds became available, we purchased a new digital projection system and surround sound system, and now we're back up and running.
We have tours practically every day from Monday through Saturday.
Some people are just flat out interested but don't have the money to pay for astronomy class, or just don't want to take a class. So they can come here, learn a few things, or if they're smaller, learn about it, get interested in it, so they know when they reach college, no, don't take physical science, take astronomy.
The planetarium provides a great opportunity for younger students to come in, visit college life, get inspired by viewing the stars, and it's very educational purposes for the astronomy lab and courses as well. Our normal presentations include a tour of the night sky, which involves the constellations, the planets that are visible, but we don't limit that to just our location. We will change the location to either the North Pole, the South Pole, or we have the correct coordinates to almost anywhere on Earth.
Or to non-Earth places at all.
Hubble Vision 2 is a more informational video.
Which is a documentary on the Hubble Space Telescope for 5 minutes, and then it's a lot of the photographs taken by the Space Telescope.
And then Oasis in Space is more of the animated graphics.
The little kids, they love the dinosaur one.
Yeah, they'll start cheering and clapping as soon as we
And
hit
they
the
laugh.
play button.
They laugh when the dinosaur gets hit.
I've seen the dinosaur prophecy 20 times in one day. I'm done with all of them.
He sits there and mouths and can say along with Oasis in Space. Just talks with it.
Yeah, I can quote nearly 80% of that video. I've seen it too many times. I could go crazy. So all of the presenters, me and fellow others, we brought in the posters, we bought the planets to inflate and hang on the ceilings. But the popcorn machine was provided by the head of the department, and we take full advantage.
We get asked a lot about the constellation Orion and about the planets. Can you see that one? Is a common question. They point to some place, we have no clue where they're pointing to. And of course where's Uranus?
They mispronounce it, it's Uranus, but we go along with it.
We get the weird questions 30% of the time. You usually gonna be one in some group.
One of the college students, he compared the death of a star to a woman in their monthly encounters. I tried to explain the star happens to do that every few millions of years and not every month. That would probably be the strangest and most funny part. And that was just in the afternoon.
How often do you guys just hang out waiting for people? By the way,
Saturday. Saturdays have got to be the most
there are
boring day in
people
the world.
there, You should start that. So
Oh,
they can-
dude.
That also happens frequently.
Why is the door closed?